Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. Here is quadrilateral. Find the area of it, giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Show you're working clearly. Now we can see that it's comprised of two triangles. And when trying to find the area of a triangle, we use the equation 1 over 2 AB sine C. Now, we can actually find the area of this triangle as is since the value is already given. But here in the second triangle, one of the sides are missing. So that means we have to find this side first before we can find the area of this triangle. How do we do that? We can use cosine rule to find side AC. Side AC is equal to 9 square plus 12 square negative 2, 9 times 12 into cosine 60 square root. And we can find this answer using our calculator. Square root of 9 squared plus 12 squared negative 2 times 9 times 12 into cosine 60. We get 3 root 13 as side AC. 3 root 13. Now that we have this side, we can use the sine rule to find this area, and when combined, create the area of the whole quadrilateral. So, if we write 1 over 2 times 9 times 12 times sine 60, and we combine that with 1 over 2 times 3 root 13 times 7 times sine 84, we should get the area of the whole quadrilateral. So, if we pull up our calculator and find this answer, it should be 1 over 2 times 9 times 12 times sine of 60, close the brackets, plus 1 over 2 times 3 root 13 times 7 times sine 84. And remember to close the bracket. We get 84.416. 84.416. Correct to three significant figures. So we just take this answer, and our final answer is 84.4 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.